All right.
So the smoke detectors that we have here today are Kidde. They are 10-year lithium battery smoke detectors. And as we look on the back, you can see here where the date of manufacture is. This one was manufactured in 2015, August.
So it's right under the issue number, because
Yep.
there's an issue number, and
Correct.
then I see the date. Yep.
Yep. And so that detector is going to be good for 10 years, as is advertised on the box there.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you look at it, you'll see in the directions what some of both the LED indicator on the smoke detector will indicate, and also what the alarm sequence will indicate. So all of those directions for the functionality of the device, once you place it up there, they're all on there.
Right.
What we recommend is trying to make sure it stays clean. If you're vacuuming the house, if you're vacuuming anything for that matter, just run a quick vacuum over it. Make sure it stays free of dust. Try to put it in areas where you're going to have air movement through the house to keep it free of dirt and dust. And that'll do a lot to make sure that when the time that this is needed, and it is needed, that it'll activate appropriately.
So now you said that one's a 10-year one.
Yeah.
So if I pull mine down, as I will later today, and I will discover that it's probably 15 years old.
Sure.
That means replace it at that point, even though it doesn't seem to have a problem. Just replace it.
Yeah, if they're out of date, you're going to want to get them. You're going to want to get them replaced. These ones here, they don't have the capability to be hardwired. Some homes will have hardwired detectors. Just replace the detector that you need in your home with the appropriate detector that you are.